Hello sir, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Sir, today we are at ATAGS Dynamics and
Yes,
you're
correct.
representing ATAGS Dynamics
Yes.
today. And I'm here with Mr. Amol, who is managing the show here. Hi sir, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience of Machine Maker?
Yeah. Basically, Apex Dynamics is a Taiwan-based company, and they are into the field of power transmission products like high precision planetary gearboxes, spiral bevel gearboxes, hypoid gearboxes, and precision racks and pinions for both rotary and linear applications using servo motors and drives. So this will be integrated with servo motor and drives for handling the various kind of applications where very high precision is required, positioning accuracy is required, and for handling the heavy loads and torques. So basically this product line is from Taiwan, and Apex is having representation in 36 countries all over the world.
Wow, that's a huge number.
Yeah.
I've also seen that your plant is in Pune. Does it
Yeah.
manufacture in Pune?
We do some integration part there, and we also do some customization of the gearboxes and provide total solution to the customers.
Wonderful. So what is it that makes Apex different from other competitors? There are a lot of players in this market.
Yes. Apex basically is mainly known for their precision and quality of the product lines, as well as their delivery period. Apex delivers these gearboxes within 3 to 4 weeks time. Any quantities up to 200 pieces, 300 pieces in 3 to 4 weeks time.
Wow. How does it do it?
They have big plant in Taiwan, 2 factories in Taiwan, and they do keep stock of the internal gears, many flanges. Apex, they almost has got different flanges for different make of servo manufacturers and their servo motor models. Almost more than 1 lakh combinations are available with them for different kind of flanges for these motors,
Wow.
these gearboxes.
Sales is great.
Yeah.
What about the service?
Service, we also have service facility in India. We do repair those gearboxes. Basically, these are gearboxes with high precision, and they have got a service life of 10,000, 20,000 hours. And in these gearboxes, failure rate is very, very less.
Wow.
Even less than 0.1%.
Who are your existing customers? Can you name some of your existing?
Basically, we supply these gearboxes to companies like Jyoti CNC, then DRDO, defense applications for Tata, L&T, Bharat Forge, Godrej, then different kind of customers in plastics industry, printing packaging industry, we sell it to.
Wow.
The missile launchers manufactured by defense in India, like Pinaka, Akash, these are equipped with Apex gearboxes because of their pointing accuracy, positioning accuracy, as well as the gun which is recently manufactured by Tata Advanced Systems called ATAGS, Auto-Towed Gun System, that is manufactured and it is equipped with Apex gearboxes, and it is having a firing capacity of 48 kilometers with a very good pointing accuracy. This is just because of Apex products.
Wow, that's a bold statement.
Yeah.
Acha, what's coming next for Apex?
We are coming up with a new product line called GL series for AGV and conveyor applications. Now conveyor applications and AGV application is booming in the field of material handling. So we have got a new product line called GL and GL series gearboxes, which has got a rotary shaft wherein you can directly put a belt, timing pulley, or directly wheel.
Acha.
Yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yes.
It was really great talking to you, sir. Wish you all the best
Yeah, thank you.
for the future. Thank you.